chemistry. Now repeat after me. Chemistry. Chemistry. Welcome to English Dictionary Infinity, where we help you perfect your pronunciation and expand your vocabulary one word at a time. Meaning. Chemistry has multiple meanings depending on the context. In science, it's the branch that studies substances, their properties, and how they interact, combine, or change. Chemistry is essential for understanding everything from chemical reactions to the composition of matter. In a more social context, chemistry refers to a natural connection or attraction between people, like the bond you feel with a friend or romantic interest. Think of it like this. Chemistry can explain how molecules react or describe the spark and connection between people. In a sentence, in school, we learned about the basics of chemistry, like atoms and molecules. Here, chemistry refers to the scientific study of substances and their reactions. Let's try another example. Their chemistry was undeniable. They just clicked from the moment they met. Now it's your turn. If you understand the word, comment below with your own sentence using chemistry. Synonyms. Some related terms for chemistry are science of matter, another way to describe the study of substances and their properties. Connection. In a social context, the feeling of understanding or attraction between people. Antonyms. The opposite of chemistry in the social sense would be disconnection, lack of rapport or understanding between people. Apathy. Lack of interest, enthusiasm, or connection. Part of speech. Chemistry is a noun referring to both the scientific study of substances and the interpersonal bond or connection between people. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to keep building your vocabulary with us at English Dictionary Infinity. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for more words and pronunciation tips. See you next time.